back with Laydin, and today I'm going to be making slime. So, the important thing you really need is your bowl. I have my bowl, my needle spoon, and I have my clear glue. I have my activator, my paint, and my sprinkles. And I have water that I may or not use. So let's get started. Let's do my first one. This always takes a long time. This takes long. I'm not going to use too much then. I'm gonna add, no, I'm not going to use the water because last time I did this, when I used the water with my mom, my slime did not turn out how I wanted it to be. Oh wait, I'm gonna add my little glitters to it. So I didn't add activator. I'm gonna make it shine, make it shine, make it shine. And then I'm gonna take my favorite color pink. And that is pink, of course, because every girl in the universe, every girl in the universe probably loves the color pink or teal, a girly color, not a boy color. Yeah, boys. Okay, I'm just adding a few drops to it. Okay, that looks enough. That's enough. Now I'm gonna add my activator. Just a few little activator drops, and now it's mixed. Oh, this is actually coming really nice, guys. But I'm gonna show you guys when I get done mixing, cause oh my god, ew. I don't think it's ready to with my hands yet. Oh my god. No, wait. I probably need to add more activator. Yeah, more activator. Oh my god. Activator got in my eyes. Okay. Oh my god, my eyes are burning. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is amazing. Okay. Kind of wet. It's like an activator, but this is smaller than I expected. Now look at this. I make sure to put a lot of sparkles. You know me, sparkle girl. Okay, so that means that I need to use a lot of glue for the others. Ooh, look at this. Okay, let's do the other slime. Just gonna put it in this bowl. Okay, let's use up a lot of glue. Not too much. This where. And this time I'm gonna make a purple by mixing blue and, pink. Okay. Okay. Oh, don't fall. No. Okay, they're falling. So I'm just gonna put some glue first. And then, oh no, I have to clean my hair. And a drop of paint. Okay. Yay. Okay, so blue and pink make purple. And now my pink container is filled with blue. Okay, ooh, yay, it's turning purple already. Oh no, long turned. Oh, I think I I put too much glue, so now the paint doesn't shine through. The lines. Put on. Ooh, sticky. Ooh. Okay, it's sticky all the way. Okay. A little piece of it came to me. Okay, I just added more activator. Come on. Very good. I think this is ready, and I left so much activator in the bowl. This wants to be stringy. I need to be the awesome slime. You hear that? You guys can't hear it, but it sounds hilarious. Not hilarious, but just gross, you know? Now I'm gonna need it. Ah! It's so stuck on the bowl everywhere. Come on. Come here. Come to me, perfect slime. I know I didn't add too much nectar. Here we go. Yep. Now I'm gonna put this back in the bowl. And add some sprinkles. Oh no, I don't want to use all my sprinkles. No. What have I done? No. My bowl is sparkle-tastic. You know? Sparkle-tastic. But not to me, it's not sparkle-tastic. Now I have to knead it in a bowl to get all this glitter. Okay, this is officially the best thing ever. Okay, well, it's a little stringy, but I think we'll pull it together with a little more glue, because I don't think a little some more glue will do it. Take it. Wait. Okay, let's add some more glue. Now, let's mix it. My glue. Okay. Okay, no, don't stick to me. Don't stick to me. I'm not supposed to be stick to. Please don't do this to me. I'm not supposed to be stick to. Okay. A little more glue. Needed it. Okay. I just needed a little more glue. And not too much sparkle. I think the sparkles made it flare, you know. Okay, time for the part you've all been waiting for. To mix the pink with the blue. And there we go. Purple. I hope it turns purple because I think I have another slime, but something didn't turn out with it. But look how many sparkles they are now. Now look at this. I want to pop the bubble. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I love it. I just love it. It's like the best slime I have ever touched and made. I'm like surprised in a good way. So guys, I hope you like this video. Tell me in the descriptions below what's your favorite kind of slime. Stretchy slime, fluffy slime, or just regular slime. And hit the bell and give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe. Bye.